pear-shaped, pouch-like. So this thing is called reniform anther. All, and it is fixed at the base. So fixation is basifix. It may be dorsifix, it may be basifix, it may be adnate, but here you see filament is attached to the anther at the base. So it is basifixed. You have to write in details because you are dealing with only the reproductive part. No need to write about the vegetative part except the complete flower. Okay, so anther many, stamen many or infinitive, anther reniform, and fixation is basifixed. Clear? Then come to the carpel. Carpel how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whole. Carpel number 5. United. So syncarpus. It runs through the staminal tube. This is the stamina united and form a tube. That is called staminal tube. And the carpel runs through the staminal tube. And since it is 5, number, what is the expected chamber? 5. Because number of carpel always, in most of the cases, it represents the number of ovary chambers. So if you make the ovary chamber, cut the ovary, then it is like this. 5 chamber, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? 5 chamber. And these are the ovules. Ovules are developed from the central axis. If ovules are developed from the central axis, then placentation will be here. Exile. You have poised on some theory, theory no practical no. Is it clear? First you do the theory because all practicals are based on theory. Axial presentation, parental presentation, marginal presentation, basal presentation. So many different types are there, and you read in the theory also. It is included in the theory part. Without knowing theory, it is going to be very difficult for you to do the practical. So the ovules are developed from the central axis, and ovule many. In one chamber, many ovules. Clear? So placentation is exile. 5 ovary chamber and many ovule in each chamber. Clear? Yes. So these things you have to write. First you write the complete flower. Copy is there. This one you see.
But you have to do individual in one, okay? There they have to do 2 plants at a time.
But in one page you have to do only one. There will be 2 experiments. One is on Clitoria, the Datura, and one is on China rose. Clear? This is Hibiscus rosa sinensis, and this is Datura metal. Clear? So you have to do only one. This is a complete flower. Here, why we keep this petals? Because it is epipetalous. That is why. And here you have to draw the separate one. Like this. You label it, anther and filament. Okay? And this is the carpel, stigma, style ovary, and this is a section of TSO ovary. Clear? And this side write it. Here you say scientific name, and directly they write about the endosemen diagram. You may write few lines about the complete flower. That will be better, I think. Okay?
Maybe one of the flower is Datura. So Datura also same thing. Before doing the section, you see at the flower whether they have the stalk or not. If they have a stalk, what it is called? Pedicellate. So this is pedicellate. Then what is this one? Calyx is there. Calyx, how many numbers are there? So this I cut it open. Okay. So this, so they are all united with one another. Then what is that one?
Gamosipellus.
Clear? So when this will need it when you want to write the flower characteristic. Clear? Then after that you will do the section. Here also see why we are doing the reproductive part. These are the androecium, but androecium again they are attached to the corolla. Clear? So that means what is this phenomenon called? Epipetalous. So epipetalous, then see this is the male reproductive part. So male reproductive part, what we call this one? Stamen. How many stamen are there? 5 stamen. Then you look at how the anther is there, filament is there, then anther how this is. Here to see they are different and here they are different. Clear? Then after that you have to go to the female reproductive part. What is the female reproductive part called? Gynoecium. Gynoecium also see, this is ovary, style, stigma. Stigma also see, this is different from what we have seen here in the Cynarus. Yeah, so all these characters we have to check it out, and after finishing everything we have to cut the hairs of the.
You see here in Datura, there you see it is bilobe. Two lobes are there.
Two lobes.
You observe under microscope, simple microscope. So it is like this. You see, this is like this. So that means carpel 2. It is united. So syncarpus. Syncarpus. Then style is very long. Then if you cut the section of ovary, then it will be, since carpel is 2 chamber. Margin is little bit rough type, and it's like this. 2 chamber. Ovaries are developed from the central axis.
Axial presentation.
Axial presentation.
And when we observe it, this is also will be slightly oblique. Slightly. It will not be not like this. It will be slightly like this.
Okay. And sometimes you may get the 4 chambered ovary also. In some cases, very rare, but that is actually not 4 chambered. Some false septa are developed. So it appears as a 4 chambered, but actually it is a 2 chambered. Sometimes in some cases, some false septas are developed at the mid. So in that case, it appears as a 4 chambered, but actually it is not 4 chambered. Clear? It is never পরীক্ষা আহিব.
You try to do by yourself, and if you have any problem, let us know. We will explain.